Hey guys, it's me, Spitz GT, and I now got unbanned. I'm gonna be looking at the new update that just came out while I was banned. Saying, I know you're probably saying that the update was yesterday. You should have posted yesterday, but I couldn't because I had the update and I can't check cosmetics. So yeah, just read the daily message. Become sharp. Dive into caves with our exciting new shark cosmetics. Watch out, you are not alone. Honor, check out the Splash and Dash pack. Monkey alert, ambush, the newest game mode is here. Will you escape the chase or be caught unaware? Good luck. First, I want to look in here. That looks cool. So let's look in here. Ooh! Ooh, it's all blue. It's all blue here. There's a shark up there. Oh, it's floating. There's a shark. Let me jump on it. Hey, Sharky. Can I grab onto it? I can't. Woo! Getting a free ride. I'm gonna name you Mark, because Mark rhymes with shark. Come on, go faster! Giddy up! Giddy up! Come on, shark! No! And I understand this is gonna be a long video, so make sure to get something to drink, because it'll be a long video. Oh! Okay, that seems like it. It's cool that they have a shark now that you're able to ride. How do I get out of here? Okay. Please like and subscribe. No, let's look in forest, because I heard there's some not major changes, but some changes that are original. So let's look. Pause. Before I continue with the video, I'm going to be announcing my first ever Gorilla Tag movie. It's called Bigfoot. It's coming out August 12th, so make sure to be there and see it. It'll be really good, so make sure to watch it. Okay, so, let's look at that for a sec, but got the summer camp. They got the grill. They got trampolines, water balloons. What happens when I throw this? Oh, boing!
I think it's the way life changes when
tents.
love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity.
I don't know.
That's why I don't worry about the things that
what happened to here?
These days,
what happened? Oh, these don't have a lot of room. Who wants people? Okay, they need to fix this. Who wants people to be looking at you while you're sleeping? Come on. Okay, go look at beach.
Too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world.
Come on.
Breathe slow, baby. Yeah.
Okay, got lanterns. I mean, this video won't be the longest, but it'll still be long. I'm absolutely terrible. Okay. Home sweet beach. Oh, they had water slides, slipping slides. Oh, look! That's a weird looking shark. Let's go down. It's got tent. Slip and slide number 1. Just go around the map and see that. More slip and slide, more slip and slide. Got a trampoline. Got beach chairs. And beach is just cool, but they don't have so much. Check out the cosmetics. That's what I've been waiting for that. I heard they were pretty good. Let's go. I've been banned and only post ideas that were on my mind in Gorilla Tags. We're back. Cosmetics. Woo! You can't see me. That's pretty cool. They got all these. They got like, oh, is this a Jackson or me? Look at this. 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 And let's take a look. So, oh, I like this. I like this. Yeah. This is pretty nice. Yeah. Oh, there's pump flag. That's a lot of work. I can't flex. I like that. Oh, I like these. I might get one of these. Who knows? I can't look at myself in this. Do I have a ponytail? Are you kidding me? I'm not wearing this. Nope. Nope. Wow, this badge is kind of nice. I like how it's just a shark with its own. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? I don't really look so good. Oh, hey, little guy. How you doing in there? No. I don't want to hold it. Ooh. Oh, this is supposed to say people, not Okay. Why is this so tiny? What do you think they're saving? Ants? Ooh, airplane. Oh, it's doing a wheelie. No, I think I could do it here better. I'm terrible flying planes. Oh, look at the other ones. Still have this? I don't want it. Whatever. Wow. There's supposed to be a whale. It's alright. Balloon! I'm not a big fan of balloons. Hey, whale. Ah! I'm like... Okay. Finger puppets. So let's... Wait, let me do a story. Okay. I did it. This comes in. He eats it and... Oh! Yup. Oh, this is a... Oh, wait. It goes up. Ah! Ah! Wait 1 second. Ah! Ah! That's so funny. Ah! Why is this crab here? Oh! It's pinching me. That's not a blue claw. Where are my glasses? Can't see without my glasses. Whatever. And see ya.